Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to add the missing place on Google Maps. To do this, it's very easy and simple. You have just to go and open Google Maps. And after that, as you can see on the bottom right of the screen, there is contribute button. Click on it. And you have to choose the first option, add place. And as you will see, you will have to enter those information like the name of the place, what is the name of that place, of that missing place. After that, you have you have just to choose the category of that place, whether it's a hotel or like educational place, shopping center, what is it exactly. You have to put the address of it. You can write it, or you can click on edit map location to choose the location of that place, and after that click done. And after that you have to enter, and if you want some more location, more information, the contact, pictures of that place, etc. And after that you have just to click on submit to submit that place to Google, so they will review it, and if it's good they will approve it for you. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.